Hi, I'm Anita. I'm going to read Building Better Habits with Dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical in the brain that plays a major role in how we feel pleasure and motivation. It's often called the feel-good chemical because it makes us feel happy when we achieve something or enjoy an activity. Dopamine helps motivate us to keep going after rewards like food, socializing, and even exercise. But not all ways of getting a dopamine boost are healthy. There are both good and bad ways to release dopamine. Good habits like exercising, accomplishment tasks, eating healthy food, or learning new things can give a natural dopamine boost. These activities not only make us feel happy, but also help us stay motivated and healthy in the long run. On the other hand, bad habits can also trigger a release of dopamine, but the effect is often short-lived. For example, using drugs, drinking alcohol, or overindulging in unhealthy foods makes give a quick rush, but this can lead to addiction over time. The more we learn to release habits, the more we need to do them to feel the same level of pleasure, which can harm our brain and body. Understanding how dopamine works is the first step to building better habits. By choosing activities that naturally release dopamine, like exercising or accomplished tasks, we can build positive habits that motivate us in a healthy way. This will help us avoid the dangerous cycle of addiction and stay focused on what truly brings us joy and fulfillment. Thank you.